This is the Tailwind iQ3 Smart Wi-Fi Garage Door Controller. Unlike certain other smart garage door controllers, this one has a number of third-party integrations including HomeKit, Habitat, Google Home, and Alexa. Upon opening the box, there is a note about installation videos on the Tailwind website and some instructions. There's a micro USB power supply. And the Tailwind controller itself. Underneath there are some clips and mounting screws. And finally, there is the J-track door sensor and wiring harness. Tailwind sells the controller with either a J-track mounted door sensor or a universal door sensor. Since I have a J-track, that is the version I purchased and am installing. I bolted the J-track door sensor to the track and then tightened it with a tensioning bolt. The magnet can either be affixed to the door with self-tapping screws or 3M mounting tape. I decided to use the screws. After the door sensor and mounting screws were installed, I opened and closed the garage door to make sure there weren't any obstructions. I then used wire clips to run the wire from the door sensor to the garage door opener. Since my Chamberlain LiftMaster garage door opener has a purple warning button and not a yellow button, I was able to wire control wires directly to the first two slots in the terminal block. I then installed the Tailwind app onto my iPhone and added the Tailwind controller to the garage Wi-Fi network. After setting it up, I configured and then verified that I would get notifications if I forget to close the garage door.